Hey there techies, today I'm going to explain object-oriented programming or OOPS using something we all know and love, a television. So grab your popcorns and let's dive in. First up in OOPS we have classes. Think of a class as a blueprint or template. In our example we have a television class with properties brand, size, resolution is on and behaviors which are methods like turn on, turn off or change channel. This blueprint does not create a TV itself, it just defines what every television will have, like size, brand and methods to turn it on or change the channel. Now using this blueprint, we create objects or real televisions. Each TV is an instance of the television class. Here's Bob's old TV, which is object 1, a classic retro TV. And here's Lucy's new fancy TV, which is a 65-inch 4K smart TV. Both are objects, but they come from the same blueprint class. Cool, right? Next we have encapsulation. This is about hiding unnecessary details and only showing what's needed. Think about it. You don't care about the wires, chips, or circuit boards inside your TV. You just want to press the remote and watch your favorite show. That's encapsulation, hiding complexity and only exposing the essentials. Now let's talk about inheritance. Say we start with a basic television class. This is a regular TV. Turns on, turns off and changes channels. Simple stuff. Now we want to create a smart TV class. Instead of rewriting everything, the smart TV inherits all the basic features of the television class but adds its own cool new features like stream Netflix, browse internet. Why reinvent the wheel when you can upgrade it, right? Next up, we have polymorphism. It's a fancy word for same action, different behavior. When I press the switch input on Bob's old TV, it goes from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2. But when I press the same button on Lucy's smart TV, it not only switches the input but also shows a fancy menu with Netflix suggestions. Finally, we have abstraction, showing only what's important and hiding the details. When you click on the Netflix app, you just see the interface to browse shows. But behind the scenes, there's a lot going on. Network connections, data processing, APIs. Luckily, you don't have to see any of that. That's abstraction, keeping it simple for the user. So let's recap OOPS using our TV. Class, the blueprint. Object, real TVs made from the blueprint. Encapsulation, hide the wires, show the remote. Inheritance, smart TVs inherit and upgrade. Polymorphism, same button, different behavior. Abstraction, you see Netflix, not the backend chaos. Now the next time you hear oops, just think of your TV. And remember, liking and subscribing does not require you to understand the complexities that goes behind it. You just click those buttons for more simplified tech bites. See you in the next video.